Hello guys, good afternoon. How are you all? I'm Sabir from Russia. Welcome to another new video. So guys, today we are going to watch the today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap on Coin Market Cap website. So let's check it out. So as you can see, BTC price today 61,900 something. So it's consolidating a little bit. So it's a 1 hour 0.10% down. 24 hours chart, you can see 24 hours 0.03% upward momentum. So here you can see market cap 1223 billion something, and the Ethereum price, today's price is $2,415, like that. So 24 hour, it's going a little bit high, 0.61%. And Ethereum circulating supply, it's almost 120 million something. So then Tether is good, almost. Solana, today's price is $142, and 24 hours it's gone a little bit high, 0.61%. Then USDC is 0.4. XLP is doing little good. Current price is 0.52 52 cents, and Dogecoin is normal, consolidating on a regular basis. Then Tron, I mean TRX, it's almost 15 cent. 24 hours is minus 1.33%. Then one of the popular coin, Toncoin, on Ton blockchain, the open network blockchain, is 5.20 cents. It's quite good. Then Cardano, 0.34 cents. Avalanche, $25.67. Shiba Inu is doing so far good, not much well. Chainlink is good, always is good, 11.27. Then Bitcoin Cash 322.31. Polkadot 4.13, near protocol 4.75. Then Litecoin is $66, one of the most favorite coin. $66.40 is 24 hours is had changed 2.21%. It's Sui, one of the very popular coin. Its current price is $1.73. 24 hours change 1.93% upward, and 7-day 3.19%. That is market cap super 4.79 billion something. Then Uniswap, $6.82. It's quite good, as 4.09 billion market cap. Pepe, one of the most favorite brand, and as you know, Pepe has made so many millionaire on crypto world. So its current price 0.9337. It's 24 hours change 1.37%. It's quite good. Then internet computer, the ICP token 8.17. Caspa, one of the best token, 0.14 and 14 cents something. Then we are checking another token something. One of the favorite token, WYF, Dog Wi-Fi, is $2.25 current price. As per coin market cap, Okay, 24 hours is minus 1.73% changed. Then Filecoin $3.62. It's not so good. Arbitrum, it's quite good, 0.55. So guys, in this today the market prices up down. It's not so volatile. It's consolidating. Then you can check bonk and Bitget token BJB 1.06%, $06, and 24 hours changed plus 4.69%. It's quite good. Then bonk 0.000002045, 24 hours change 2.31%, and market cap is 1.45 billion something. Theta network 1.28%, and Popcat, one of the most favorite meme coin, is so far doing so good. Its today's price to 1.21 cent, and 24 hours change was 5.54%, and 7-day change 27.78%. It's so far quite good, and its market cap is very good right now, 1.18 billion something. Helium 6.95. So guys, this Pocket meme coin is on Solana blockchain. It's doing so well in this month, especially at the beginning of this month. It's doing so good. You can see 7-day it has changed 27.89%. It's so fast, so good. Polygon on Matic blockchain 0.3786%. KuCoin token KCS 7.82. It's 24 hours change plus 0.50%. So guys, then you can see Starknet STRK 0.38 cent, 24 hours change 1.06%. The Notcoin, one of the Telegram bot most popular coin, Tech1 project that was successfully launched, and its current price right now 0.007241 dollar is 24 hours changed minus 2.04%, and its market cap 741 million something, almost 742 million. PayPal is good. So already we have checked so many tokens right now, but then we can say in this month, as per today's prices, we are checking that it's found the cryptocurrency prices is consolidating, not so high. So then here you can see another token, FTT token is doing so good, $2.64 current price, and 24 hours it's changed 11.86%, and dramatically it has changed 86.09% by 7 days. Quite so good, and not only good, it's super. By the way, you can see 7-day it has changed 86.19%. Oh my god, it's so good. So whoever holded this coin, they already made enough money, I think, but we missed it. Okay, it always happen in a cryptocurrency world. So no problem, it will another chance will come back. Then guys, I want to tell you one about another meme coins, Waffles, Orc, and Caspa. It's maybe it will do so good, especially Orc and Waffles. Then another meme coin have Pepe. So currently it is consolidating at the downturn moment and lowest price. So if you have something to invest, make sure you invest on Pepe, Waffles and Orc, because we think and crypto community think it will explode on the next bull run. So make sure you have enough token on Waffles, Orc and Pepe. So guys, we want to check the BTC price today's chart. So let's check on it. So guys, here you can see it's doing so not so good. It's consolidating here. The today's price is 61,909, and by today it's 1 hour chart. Today 3 hour before it was 62,100. It's consolidating around 62 to 61,000. It's like that. So from if you check 1 day chart, is wait. Here going to 1 day chart. So here you can see it's consolidating. So at the bottom, last price 52,000. It's maybe it will go further more down until 59 to 58,000. Then it will move to upward as per my analysis. So if you want to invest something, if you want to trade on Bitcoin, so make sure you should have patience. So please wait until it go down to 59,000 or 58,000. But whoever want to do scalping, make sure you have to wait until 59,000 around start scalping. So today BTC price, it's quite not good. It's okay. Here you can see the volume also. The seller volume is too high according to the buyer volume. Then we want to check another AI token. It's USDT on Gate.io. It's 24 hours. It has changed minus 22%, 22.75%. It's not so good, but whoever trading, make sure to buy on the deep price. It's okay, because after this consolidating, it may go through around of 0.5 cent. Of course it will come up to there, because if you check 1 day chart, so anyway, this is a new listed token, not so old. So go to the Bitcoin chart. So guys, as per my opinion, it's doing not so well in this current position, but in the future Bitcoin will explode. So make sure you have something on your wallet, some Bitcoin on your wallet. Then cryptocurrency. So guys, you can check the always the cryptocurrency prices on CoinMarketCap website. Here you can find all the news and the market cap of all the big cryptocurrencies. Yeah, here I have the, you can see crypto losses in 24 shows the 2.21 billion, 2.11 billion surpassing 23 annual total revenue. So here I have so many articles you can watch, so you can get little knowledge about cryptocurrency and know what's happening on the market. It's up to date, so make sure you learn about cryptocurrency and always watch our video in this channel. Make sure to like this video and subscribe and share with your friends. So guys, for today nothing too much, so have a good day. Thank you, thanks for watching this video. Thank you, bye bye.